I'm going to eat this ant by Naylor, Ballesteros. I'm going to eat this ant. I'm going to eat this ant. Ants, 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 and more ants. I've just about had enough of licking up, wriggling, tickling, stinging, fighting, biting ants with my twisting, twirling tongue. The problem is this: I'm hungry. What's an anteater to do? I know. For a change, I think I'm going to eat this ant. Served in a sandwich or sucked up a straw. Or maybe I'll eat it smothered in mint sauce or splattered with a spatula, or simmering in soup and scooped in a spoon. Perhaps sun-dried or salted, or sliced like salami. Any of these would be nice. How about seared like steak? Speared on a stick? Or squished in a sausage? Or maybe smoked with sardines? Stir-fried and sautéed? And for dessert, I could have it set in a sorbet or stuck on a sweet. So many savory, spicy, sugary snacks. Which scrumptious serving should I scoff? Let's see. Hang on. Where is that ant? Ant, I'm simply starving now. Ant, aha, there you are. I'm seriously considering something else for supper. The end.